Hi everyone, this is Shadow Blade, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take apart the Smith & Wesson M&P 9mm. First, you have to release the mag, some Hornady rounds in there, critical defense. Second, you got to take out the tool. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt. It's in there pretty good sometimes. Alright, third, you got to lock it back. Four, there's a pin in there, you got to push the pin down so you can disassemble it. Once you get that down, you hold this piece down, hold this down, and release gently. And it comes clean off, see? Two pieces, trigger assembly, spring. Then next, you take the spring out. Be careful, it might shoot you and hit you in the face. And last, you take the bolt out. See? So this is the whole thing taken apart. Now I'm just going to show you how to put it back together real quick, alright? Thanks for watching, hope this helped. Leave me some comments and subscribe and like if you liked it.